Hello YouTube, today I want to show you the professional throwing stand from AliExpress. As you can see, I have put on a mountain bike rim on it. I can here check the roundness of the rim. Also I can look at the plane or actual play. How do you want to say that? I don't know. You can adjust it here with this tool, especially. You can here tighten or loosen, and it should be better or worse. You can here adjust it. I won't show that because it has a lot of throwing videos on YouTube. You can check those. Also, you have this for actual play on disc brake. You can also here make small adjustments if necessary. But what I want to say is you should fix those with Loctite, especially those two bolts which are holding those gauges for actual play or circular T-play. I would recommend them to fix with Loctite, especially here and here, so you can have better results. I would say it takes a bit of time to adjust such a rim. If you are new, it can take few hours. But if you are doing this on a weekly or daily basis, it's worth, in my opinion. So that's it. If you like the video, please comment and have a good day. Bye.